Add-on modules, RF-LAMINATE. In RFEM, it is possible to perform stress and deflection analysis of laminate surfaces. The calculation considers shear coupling and is carried out according to the laminate theory. It can be applied to the design of cross-laminated timber elements and fiber-plastic composites, for example GRP or carbon. In general data, the surfaces to be designed, the applicable standard, and loads for the ultimate and the serviceability limit state design are defined. In the following tables, you have to define the compositions and the material properties of the individual layers. The individual layers can be composed of the materials from the material library. Furthermore, a producer library is available which you can use to import a whole composition. The selected material defines the limit stresses of the individual layers. To consider the climatic conditions, you have to define the load duration as well as the service class of the individual surfaces. If the serviceability limit state design is performed, the necessary entries will be done in the last input table. The calculated results are displayed in clearly arranged tables according to load cases, surfaces or layer. For a better overview, it is possible to filter the tables according to composition, point and surface numbers as well as according to loads. Moreover, the maximum deformations and a parts list are displayed. Outside the add-on module, the results are displayed graphically in the analytical model. All diagrams from the add-on module, RF-LAMINATE, and graphics from RFEM can be printed to the printout report for documentation purposes.